Let's look at some real life wheels that people would sometimes spin. So here's one wheel. And we'll say it looks something like this. And this one is, if it lands here, you win $1,200. And if it lands anywhere else, you're going to lose $100. Would you spin this wheel? I mean, when you look at it like this, possibly not. The name for this wheel is extended warranty. So an extended warranty, what happens is it might break and you might get your money, but probably you're gonna lose whatever you spend on the extended warranty. And people love spinning these kind of wheels though. We do it over and over, right? Like, I mean, a very common one is something like this. And it's not gonna be too exact, this one, but this is lose $5, and then this is win $0. And then this is win 10. This is win 20. And then maybe this is like win 50. And you can't really see it, but this little thing over here is win like $1 million. But it's really, really small. It's less than 1/1,000,000th of the wheel, substantially less. So what's the name of this wheel that people like to spin? I think actually the win $0 is even bigger than that. I think it's more like that's like this whole thing would be to win 0, and then there's a 10 and a 20, and there's some others. There's a pretty good chance of winning 0. This is lottery. Right? Generally, you're gonna win nothing. Winning 0 is when you win a free ticket. So a free ticket, you haven't really won anything. All you've done is they said, okay, respin. So you haven't won anything, you haven't lost anything yet, but you are going to spin the wheel again. Possibly controversially, the last wheel I'm going to kind of mention might be something like this. And again, I'm not being too accurate about the probabilities here, but this would be something like lose, I don't know, $700, win $400 or $500, and a pretty small chance of winning. It's probably much smaller than that. So it's something like that, much smaller, of winning, we'll say $250,000. And the name of this wheel is, this is insurance. So when you buy insurance, usually you're losing money. I mean, hopefully you're losing money. You generally don't want to be claiming too much on insurance. It means something has gone on horribly awry. Some insurances cover some small things. So for example, if you have a car insurance, they'll maybe cover your broken windshield. If you have a house insurance, maybe some small things are covered. And there's a small chance that you're going to get a lot of money from this insurance. So it's kind of, in many ways, insurance is like a lottery. The difference is that in the lottery, winning is kind of an independent activity. In insurance, these big wins happen to coincide usually with big losses in your life, and often a time when you need the money more. But at the end of the day, the insurance probably has a negative expectation as well. Just like the lotteries, just like extended warranties. But it's a product. And in case you're wondering, I do buy insurance. That is all.